Hello. Today is my birthday, so I'm just gonna do a pretty quick birthday sketch for today. I don't really have much to talk about, so I'll just kind of go through just a laundry list of stuff that um, I'm happy about. I'm very happy with kind of the state of my personal successes and career. I think I've accomplished a lot of the stuff that I want. It's a couple more things that I want to accomplish, and I'm sure they will eventually happen just in time. I'm happy for having the health and family that I have. I think that's tremendously awesome. I don't really know what I would want for a birthday though. I'm getting older. I'm in my 40s, so it's really hard for me to kind of like parse what I actually would like want as like a birthday gift. Uh, I'm sure my wife has a really hard time thinking about what to get me other than just hanging out with me. I like doing that. I like hanging out with the kiddos. I was just thinking my favorite times to hang out with the family is whenever we're doing stuff that's like outdoors, like when we're at the beach, especially like beach time. It's such an awesome time. I love hanging out at the beach. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's hard for me to even think about what I would want because I've lived a pretty interesting life. We were out at for dinner yesterday for my birthday, just hanging out. I just wanted to go get some Chinese food. Um, and I was just talking about kids and just like, especially my older kids are starting to get older. My young kids are starting to get older, and just talking to them about like a lot of the stuff that I did when I was young, and just telling them about like how life was like in my high school, the kinds of stuff that I did, the misunderstandings of like my name and how some kid in my school had the same name and just how that was, and they were just laughing. They were just like, "Oh, that's so funny," and it was just nice to kind of like just talk to them and walk them through their dad's life a little bit. And I thought that they really liked it. My daughter, especially, she was laughing a lot. So getting at the age where her and I like are really getting along. We've always got along, but now it's like her dad is super cool. She sees me as a cool person. She's like an artist now. She sees the kind of art that I do, and she's actually super impressed by it now. Like it's starting to hit her. Where when she was a kid, it really didn't make any difference. I was just dad, and so now she's like, "Oh, my dad draws like some pretty wicked stuff." So it's cool to see that. But also her humor is similar to mine, so now we're like laughing at some of the same stuff. She's making jokes that I think are hilarious. I start laughing at them. I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, you got it. You know it's funny. Yeah, at least to me. And yeah, I'm grateful for these things that are happening in my life. And I don't know. It's just yeah, as you get older, you just don't really you just have less things to want in life. I think you can become more and more simpler, right? I was talking to my friend too. We're talking about like parties and stuff. He's like, "Yeah, you're gonna throw a party?" And honestly, I would probably normally have like a get together or something, but because I'm so far away from most of my friends, can't really do much of that. It's a solo dolo this year, but I've had lots of really awesome birthdays, so I'm not really like, oh man, my birthday isn't the coolest this year. Like I've had lots of great birthdays. I've had lots of close friends hang out with me on these days. Like it's nothing that I get worked up about. And we were just talking about like how we're on that old man arc now, meaning that we're more and more inclined to just not want to do anything, just hanging out, doing simple stuff and basic things. To me, is it's it's fine. I enjoy it. It's okay. Like I think on my 39th birthday, me and some close friends, we all went to Vegas together. And it was really, really fun. And I will still, you know, able to party with, like, the best of them. But it was just more fun because I was with really close friends. I think it had less to do with the fact that it was in Vegas. Um, if we would have went somewhere else, I think I could had just as much fun. Maybe even more fun in some instances because Vegas is kind of has a very particular style of fun, and other places tend to be probably more intimate, if you guys know what I mean. So who knows? But yeah, I mean, but that was super awesome. I used to have crazy birthday parties when I was a young kid. I had like these huge like water balloon fights and stuff with like a lot of the local kids and kids friends or the people I was friends with at my high school and middle school back when I used to do them all the time. One of my favorite birthdays as a very young child, I remember. Actually, I don't think it was a birthday. I'm lumping birthdays and Christmas together. It was Christmas. Well, I'll tell the Christmas one anyway. So it was Christmas, and I had all these gifts underneath the Christmas tree, and it was all Ninja Turtle toys. Like every single one was like a Ninja Turtle toy, and man, that still resonates with me. Like the fact that I can still remember it even at my late age means that I really love Ninja Turtles. The newest movie that came out, yeah, I really enjoyed it. I even like the live action remakes. I know some people had some mixed feelings, but I liked them. I thought they were fun. And yeah, but like I've had even just outside of birthdays, I've had really fascinating moments in my life that I like to reflect on. And perhaps when I'm at a much more milestone of age, like 50, like half a century, maybe I'll kind of walk through, and maybe I'll do something big for that. I walk through a lot of the stuff that's gone through my life and just kind of celebrate all the life that was lived and all the things that might have, sculpted who I am and be grateful for those things. I can imagine there's gonna be a lot of stuff that's gonna happen from here until then. It's like 9 years. So I am curious to what I will feel at that time. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I follow through with my daily video quota. I had one person write in comments, "It's like you did your daily quota." So I interpreted that as, all right. I don't know if I'm enjoying this video you've done, but I appreciate that you did the video. They did like it didn't have anything nice to say, but they just wanted to say what they thought was nice, which is you're staying on track, which I do actually respect that. I love that. And yeah, I mean, for me, this is something that has become really exciting. I look forward to it. I think about what I want to talk about throughout the day. I have a lot of stuff that I've written down. So I have still quite a bit of stuff. But yeah, I'm just like, yeah, this is a nice moment for me, my thoughts about things that I have, and I can just talk about them. It's really nice. And as a product of doing something often, like I'm doing these videos very often, as a result, it makes me think more. And as I talk, it makes me reflect on what I think about those things. And then it also makes me think about other people and their commentary because I watch a lot of other interesting and awesome YouTubers and just content creators in general. My algorithm on my Instagram, oh my gosh, let me tell you about that. So my YouTube algorithm, I think, is relatively, it's just going to be what it is for quite a while. For those of you who pay any attention to what's happening outside of the art world in our community in terms of like world politics, there's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff I am just really dissatisfied with. But my YouTube algorithm is kind of filled with this, and it's just going to be what it's going to be. But my Instagram, because I've been sharing a lot of amazing artwork as a tool to kind of like just, if you follow me, you're gonna see some cool artwork because I like cool artwork and I'm kind of trying to fight the machine. And as a result, it's like showing me a tremendous amount of awesome artwork. Like there's something to sharing cool art that Instagram likes that I do that it then keeps feeding me more to share. And by people I don't follow, I begin to follow. And I thought that was incredibly fascinating that it does that. Um, so yeah, I'm just kind of like I'm here for it. I'm like really happy about it. I enjoy looking at incredible artwork. I can't believe how much of this I'm just not aware of. One thing, because we're going to be traveling to a new location, we're going to be staying there for a while. Uh, what I'm going to do is once we have like a new home base, I'm going to begin purchasing tons of physical books again and magazines. Like I used to study from fashion magazines a lot, and I want to just do that again. I just want to kind of get real books and real materials again. I do see that there's a tide coming that will lend itself to this new world order of creativity. I am very, very much of the mind that people are going to be more in line to do what they're going to be more in line with being human than not, you know? And I want to be a part of that revolution of sticking with our humanity. And yeah, so I'm excited for that because like as I was going through all this Instagram stuff, like my feed is filled with uh beautiful traditional artists and what have you. One person uh even made a comment on one of their stories that I'm going to start doing this. Probably not right now because like I want to start building this skill because this is actually an interesting skill that I don't think and I won't say too much about it, but they were saying, why don't people paint like these old classical painters anymore? There's something beautiful about all that stuff. And I agree. I used to study classical painters religiously because again, there wasn't like YouTube or any of these incredible online platforms where you can see all sorts of incredible artwork. But they made a really good point about the kind of lack of this specific aesthetic. And they made a comment like, "Is it because it's hard?" And I'm like, "Yeah, dude, of course. I mean, that's almost 100% the reason, you know, like obviously." But I'm like, I like challenges. I do. I like challenging myself. I like to face challenges, and so seeing that kind of as like like, hey, I challenge you, AJ, to do this. Like he wasn't speaking directly to me, obviously. It was more of like a general, like, why aren't people doing this? And I'm like, I agree. Why aren't people doing this? And so, yeah, it just made me realize that there is definitely communities and art groups that are worth like being a part of. I mentioned in a different one, like the algorithm conversation, that something like YouTube, I think is still valuable. There's lots of really valuable information there, and I generally think it's worth listening to a lot of the time. But it's just not healthy if that's all you do. And in my age, I know what I like and I know what I want to accomplish in this life, and I don't need to kind of like separate myself from the entire internet, but I don't need to kind of feed into kind of the worst distractions, you know? And finding that Instagram feels alive to me, that it's like listening to kind of my spirit of what I want, uh, makes me like I've been living on it a little bit longer than I normally would. Um, and then as a result, like I'm saying, like it only makes me double down to be a better artist. I want to do more art. I want to become even better than what I am doing now. I even told myself every day I want to start learning to do animations and do more things that are involve movement and storytelling. I did this tutorial recently, and it was really really fun to do. And I want to do more of that kind of stuff because it's really speaks to who I am and what kind of creator I am. And so as I get older, like these are the kinds of things that stand out to me. Doubling down on the skills that I already have, um, acquiring new, incredibly challenging skills that will bring me more value ultimately. And then, yeah, just keeping my eye out on the greatest and best artists that exist in this planet, dude, and just try to be part of the community, man. I love artists deeply. I love this community deeply, and I want it to succeed, and I want it to do well, and I want it to thrive. So I'm just going to try to do my part to make sure that's happening. But anyway, um, yeah, this is a cool little birthday painting. Yeah, I think I'm good. These are like some of my favorite colors is like these blues and oranges. Like I like a more hot orange, but I think one of my latest paintings I did like this kind of cadmium red. It's not quite that. It's more like this. Yeah. Like I really love this kind of rusty color, but I think I just did it recently, so I don't want to do it again. But the blue I did not. So not at this level. I think I did like a teal. So I'll put some splashes in here just because it makes it artistic. But yeah, I need to get ready for the day. With that said, hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on. Hold on. Do I want to keep it? I actually like it. But I'm also like, what did it look like before? Yeah, what the heck? Should I just keep it? Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna call it, homies. Appreciate y'all. And preemptively, thank you guys for the birthday wishes. It's much appreciated. And for those of you who are stressing out about lots of stuff that's going on, just keep watching these tutorials, these videos that I'm putting out there, and hopefully they give you some peace of mind and give you a lot more, what you got, peace and optimism and motivation. Because that's what I'm about, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing, homies. Oh yeah, I can paint all day. Yeah, I think that I've acquired the speed, I can start to challenge myself even more. Like I said, I'm gonna start doing more animated stuff as well. It's like a weird mustache hair thing that I did on this character. I don't quite understand it either. For those of you who are like, what the heck is that? I don't know, man. I'm with you. It just let my mind free, and this is what it decided to draw. And yeah, I kind of make some sense of it. You know, I might need like also like a skinnier brush so I can get into these details. A skinnier hard brush. But anyway, I'm gonna go. You hear my wife coming. Anyways, thanks for watching as always. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe, follow, like, as a birthday wish. Gift. Wish. All right, peace.